Authorities on Saturday filed a proposed press conference of Hurriyat Conference moderate faction chief Maulvi Umar Farooq at his residence in Srinagar. The authorities deployed heavy contingent of forces to prevent mirwaiz to address the press. No journalist was allowed to cover the event as the route leading to Mirwaiz's Nagin residence was completely sealed by barbed wires. Meanwhile, in a statement, Hurriyat Conference spokesperson said that now the press conference will be addressed online through Twitter and Facebook. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, 2468-501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.